Okay, guys, so let's practice this selectivity and of the addition reaction. So we're specifically talking about the hydration and hydrohalogenation reactions right now. You'll notice I have a little bit scribbled on my screen. It used to say name the product, but we don't know how to name some of these products. So I decided to take that out. It's out of your version of the notes already. So just don't worry about that. But it says to write the product of each of the following reactions. Okay, so let's look at our first reaction here. I'm going to highlight my alkene. There we go. Highlight my alkene that we're adding our substituents onto, or adding what we're adding. So our first one here, we're adding water when we have an acid catalyst. So I'm going to draw what we're adding as HOH. So we remember one side gets a hydrogen, one side gets an alcohol, or OH hydroxyl group. So I'm going to draw my same carbon chain that I started out with, and I'm going to go ahead and highlight. This is what I like to do. I'm going to highlight where that double bond was. Then I'm going to look and see which side has more hydrogens, which side has less hydrogens. The side with more hydrogens, let's go ahead and draw those in. Okay, so it looks like the left side has more hydrogens. So that's where my hydrogen is going to end up. And then I'm going to put my OH hydroxyl group on the other side of that highlighted double bond. Okay, so that's our first one. We added HOH, and we're putting the OH on the side with less hydrogens, the H on the side with more hydrogens. Let's go down to the right. Again, let's highlight where our alkene is. This time we're adding HBr. So I'm going to draw that out, H-Br. So I'm adding H to one side, Br to the other. Draw out our carbon chain the same. Highlight where our double bond was. And then let's add in our H and Br. So draw in those hydrogens. We got to figure out our selectivity. So the left side has 0 hydrogens right now. The right side has 1 hydrogen. So my hydrogen is going to end up from HBr is going to end up on the right side. And then Br will end up on the left. Great job. Okay, let's keep going. I'm going to highlight here my alkene. Draw out my same carbon chain. Let's write in our hydrogens. I kind of want these to be black. Let's make these black. Just so we're clear which hydrogens are which in the product. That this hydrogen here is a different hydrogen than this one. This is the one we added. Okay, draw in our hydrogens. Now we're back down. So we're going to add, I'm going to highlight where my alkene was here. And then we will add in our hydrogen to the side that already had more hydrogens. So H goes here. Cl goes on the other side because we're adding HCl. And our last one, HOH, is what we're adding. See where that alkene was. Draw our same carbon chain. Highlight where that alkene started out. Let's see which side has more hydrogens. Okay, so top and bottom in this case, they both have 1 hydrogen. So it doesn't matter which side that we put the OH on. It's the same, they're symmetric. So I'm gonna put it on the bottom because why not? Okay, those are our examples of some selectivity problems for our hydrohalogenation and hydration reactions. And that finishes off this section of the textbook. I will see you guys in section 11.8, chapter 11.8. See you guys there.